When you purchase your textbook from Vital Source, now you don't have to purchase it from Vital Source, but when you get the ebook, if you use a platform like Vital Source, it provides you tools that you cannot get in a regular printed textbook. So for this scenario, we're going to look at Research Methods textbook for the 3302 Criminal Justice course. You'll go in and click on your textbook, and it will pull up where you left off in the textbook. When you navigate, it's going to give you several different options. Now, each textbook may have more or less, but the general deal is it's going to have the table of contents where you can click each chapter. So, for instance, if we're in, say, chapter 1, and we want to look at, chapter 1. As you go through here, you'll be able to highlight, certain areas. You'll be able to make notes, okay? If I go like this, I can make a note in here of what I want to remember. If there's something specific, I can highlight it in different colors, okay? I can go over here to the side. I know this might be kind of small, so you might have to enlarge the screen, but over here there's certain topics, tools, I'm sorry. And with your science books and things like that, there's actual labs within the textbook, but we can search. If I wanted to look up and say homicides, okay, well, it'll pull up where that is located in the textbook, and then we can scroll through and figure out, hone in a little bit more of where we want to go. As we're moving through the course, you're going to have it where chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and kind of the way we have it laid out. So if I'm asking about chapter 1 and I start talking about homicide, well, you could just go right to chapter 1. You know where to go once you just type in what you're looking for. So I know in the past I've had students and then myself take the questions that are asked. If we do some sort of a discussion question or some sort of a quiz, you could take that question and put it in here to look it up within the textbook. Use your resources. This is why I'm asking you to buy the ebook, is because I want you to know how to navigate and find answers. Okay? So you can use this to get in there and get after it and find your answers, find your topics, go right to the source. We also have it when you make your notes, you'll be able to have a collaboration. I'm trying to think of a better word. You'll have a one-stop shop of where your notes will be at. So that part that I highlighted is going to be in the notes. If there are figures, okay, within a certain chapter, you'll be able to have that as well. So all these things are available. When you need to reference the textbook, you hit the citation button to make sure it's in the right form that you need, and there it is. So you can enlarge, okay. You can print, I think, 10 pages or something at a time. Somewhere in there it'll tell you when you do it. Some of the textbooks, when you go like this, it may, I don't know if it'll do it with some of them, but some of them will read to you, and that'll be nice too if that's the case. So anyways, you can navigate a lot more. There's a lot more tools. Some of the textbooks will have links, like the links within the textbook will be active. Some of them will have videos attached to them. So there's a lot more bang for your dollar than just a regular old textbook. From what I do, the Vital Source or ebook overall is cheaper a lot of times than the actual printed version. So that's why I want y'all to navigate and use the e-book, is because there's a lot more things that you can do than just the old typical book. Thank you.